one of the things that I've done is also, I think you can use audio to really help. One experience that many of us have who've had chemo brain is anxiety that goes along with this. And whether that's a direct effect or just a side effect of not having the brain that you thought you had, what that manifests itself of like is excessive, very high frequency waves. Just a tiny bit of a tutorial. Anybody heard about brain waves? Waves in the brain? Well, as you are, how these cells communicate is electrically, not just chemically with neurotransmitters. They actually, when several neurons will fire together, they make what's called an action potential, which you can measure non-invasively with an electroencephalograph. Just like those monitors that you'll put on your heart, they can be on your scalp, and you can monitor the brain waves near the scalp, that's called the cortex, in different locations. And one of the ways that we measure stress is by putting some electrodes, like they're non-invasive, right here at the top of the neck, in the occipital region, and measuring these different frequencies of waves. So the frequencies are from very, very slow, like it's called delta, 0 to 2. That's when you're in a very deep sleep or under anesthesia. Theta, which is slow, meaning just before you go to sleep, it's when you're sort of dozing off and you jerk awake again. We call that theta. And it has to do with making these waves that are fairly slow. The alpha are relaxed slow waves, a little bit more focused, feeling good. Beta is alert and focusing, and then very high beta is the fight or flight state. And that's generally associated with anxiety. So what I was able to do, I just did this in April and May, I actually developed some ambient sounds that are very relaxing that reduce the stress waves and the fog waves and increase the relaxed waves. And many of you will find that you have some favorite music, but what's interesting is sometimes you can relax and go to sleep, but if you can relax and stay more focused, that also helps. So I have a CD called Meet Me in the Garden. Other music can do it as well, but it's a special music that goes from a progression of very, very relaxed to increased focus at the end of the CD. And that's just me measuring it. You can see this is one of the electrodes is on the back of the brain there, and this is just part of the system. And I'm watching this as the patient listens to the music.